Designing facades? Really? Yes, we designed plans, we designed sections, now it's time to design elevations. What's up guys, welcome to another video of Bravo Architects. Today I'm going to show you 3 tips to design elevations for residential buildings. So tip number 1 is, as the side of the space changes according to function, so does the elevation. Well, let's say you have a kitchen and the living room next to each other. Obviously the living room will be a little bit bigger, so you can make it with an additive form. So in the facade, you can differentiate them by using different materials on different forms. To give it an example for this, let's say living room has the additive form, which means that it will be popped out from the kitchen, so that when you are using this classic plaster or brick veneer on the kitchen surface, you can use timber veneers on the form that is additive to the kitchen. Another reason that is beneficial to create additive form of living room next to the kitchen is that you can attach a balcony to the kitchen, which will create the railing surface co-planar to the surface of the living room. With that way, you can design a railing that is compatible with the design style of the elevation, and you can somehow combine it with the front surface of the living room. Since we already designed the planar surfaces of the elevation, let's pay the last attention to the slabs, which is more like linear, and my favorite goes there as an aluminum composite or terracotta. So the tip number 2 is designing the facade in Frank Lloyd Wright style. Okay, you most probably design the different functions in different sizes according to the importance of the function. Let's say you designed the living room of a 1-story building, which is the biggest space of the house, and you put the smaller space next to the living room and the mid-sized space on the other end. So you want to create a nice elevation to this building. You simply draw a ground line in the middle of the plan. You remove the half, and there you go, a nice elevation. Tip number 3 is combining the Historicesqe to the modern facades. We choose white color for most part of the building, such as window sills, blind facades, and parapets. So when you place an opposite color in an ocean full of white, it will be directly pop up, and we don't want those opposite colors to, create a big massive attraction. So we choose to apply them on accessories like window frames and railings and etc. Since we only have 2 colors in the facade, we're gonna need 1 more color to be pleasing to the eyes. And to fulfill that, my friends, we're gonna choose the trees complementarily to the facade combination, which will be the green color. And there we have the nice, even we can call this facade minimalist design, and it doesn't really disturb us. That is kind of an Historicesqe. Alright, thanks everyone for watching this video. If you find it informative and useful, please consider subscribing to Bravo Architects in order to watch videos like this. And as always, see you in the next video.